Hi, here at H Mitchell Car Sales. We're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2020 Ford Ecosport 1 litre EcoBoost 125. This is the ST line model. This car's finished in agate black with the Lux yellow roof and mirror covers. You've got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, you've got the satin black roof rails, you've got the body coloured styling kit, 17-inch grey alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel, ST line wing badges. Moving inside the car, you've got the charcoal grey Alcantara upholstery with the leather side panels and the red stitching. ST line threshold plates, identification plate that tells it's the Ford Ecosport ST line 1 litre EcoBoost, the 125 PS engine. Rear passenger area, so you've got room for 3 passengers in the rear of the car. Being a mini SUV, it's just a little bit easier to get in and out of the car. Near side rear alloy wheel. Moving round to the rear of the car, you've got the rear parking sensors, and this is also linked to a rear parking camera. You've got the side opening tailgate, so that makes it easier for loading items into the load area. 60/40 split rear seat. Then you've got this removable tray for increased load capacity. Okay, moving round now onto the driver's side of the car. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Inside the car on the driver's door, you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment, and this car's got the electric folding mirrors, automatic headlamps, centre armrest with internal storage space, twin cup holders with the blue ambient lighting, so this car's done 15,300 miles, 6-speed gearbox, you've got a 12-volt plug-in for accessories and 2 USB plug-in points. You can turn off the traction control and deactivate the stop start. Dual climate control. Then you've got the 8-inch touchscreen media system. So on there, on the audio side, you've got the AM, FM and DAB radio stations. You've got the Bluetooth connectivity, so as you can play music from an external device. Full screen navigation system. View from the reversing camera when you place the vehicle in reverse. Controls on the steering wheel for the cruise control and speed limiter. And on the other side of the steering wheel, you've got the controls for answering and rejecting calls. You've got voice control if your phone's compatible. Back outside the car again. Driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. Look forward to your inquiry. Bye.